if you're busy doing something, say you're in the kitchen and you're making dinner and you need to keep the kids busy for a minute while you're cooking, you can send them on a little literacy scavenger hunt. For instance, hey Helena, can you go over to the table and find something that starts with the same sound as pasta? Pasta. Good job. Plate and pasta both start with the same sound. Plate and pasta. What letter makes the sound?
P.
Good job, Helena. For older kids, you could send them around the house if they're more independent, anywhere in the house to get more items. If your kids are already spelling, you could say something like, hey, Helena, can you get an S-P-O-O-N out of the drawer for me? Thanks, honey. Spoon, S-P-O-O-N. You could do lots of other things too. You could send the kids off and say, can you go look around your playroom and find me 5 red things? So it's just a great way to kind of keep them busy while you're busy and improve their literacy skills as well.